Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to access your Revolut account but can't remember how to log in? Or maybe you're new to Revolut and not sure how to get started. Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Revolut in 3 easy steps. Hook, I know that logging into any new app or service can be a bit daunting, but I'm here to make it as easy as possible for you. So, sit back, relax, and let me walk you through the process. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is and why it's such a popular financial app. Revolut is a digital banking platform that offers a variety of financial services, including current accounts. With Revolut, you can create a current account that you can use to make payments, receive money, and withdraw cash. Debit cards. Revolut also offers a range of debit cards that you can use to make purchases online and in-store. Travel. Revolut can help you save money on travel by offering you access to great exchange rates and low fees. Investments. You can also use Revolut to invest your money in a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Revolut is a great option for anyone who is looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. And with its easy-to-use app, it's easy to see why it's become one of the most popular banking platforms in the world. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. The first step is to open the Revolut app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Enter your email address or phone number. Once you've opened the app, you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Step 3. Enter your PIN. After you've entered your email address or phone number, you'll be asked to enter your PIN. Your PIN is a 4-digit code that you created when you first set up your Revolut account. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can reset it by following these steps. Go to the Revolut website. Click on the Forgot Your PIN link. Enter your email address or phone number. Click on the Send Verification Code button. Enter the verification code that you received via email or text message. Create a new PIN. Once you've entered your PIN, you'll be logged into your Revolut account. Additional tips. If you're having trouble logging into Revolut, make sure that you're using the correct email address or phone number. If you're still having trouble, you can contact Revolut customer support for help. You can also use Revolut's website to log into your account. Logging into Revolut is easy and only takes a few seconds. Once you're logged in, you can access all of the features and services that Revolut has to offer. If you're not already using Revolut, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great way to manage your finances and save money. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.